Check it, y'all. Boosted box Chevy. But what is that? Man, I want y'all to hear this thing right here. 449 horse. Is it 439? 449, 439 crate engine in this bad boy right here. And you want to talk about sound good. Runs out great. No rust. Let me get the keys. I want y'all to hear this thing. 439, 49. I don't know if paperwork's still in there or not. But man, I really want y'all to hear this thing, man. Hold on just a second. Man, I lied. 460 horsepower, 425 torque. Man. Let's see what 460 horsepower look like. What does 460 horsepower look like? Looks just like a stock engine, don't it? Looks just like a stock engine, don't it? Do got them long tubes. Nope, shorties. Do got them shorties on there. Cold air intake, K&N, of course. Shorties on this side. It's got the old school intake on it. 460 horsepower. 460. Man. Let me fire this thing up for y'all. Let y'all hear this dude. She sounds so good. In my opinion. Does need a tune, but she sounds good. I like the newer 20s on it with some little mud tires a little bit. I do like that look. And to be honest, this particular year, I think this is a 03, 04, a lot of these are already rusted out. I mean, I remember the one I had, Rust Bucket. Let's see what she sounds like. Hey, shout out BeeloNation. Shout out to BeeloNation. Y'all check him out. Hear that? Look at this thing. Ooh, she sound like she ready to get it. Sound like she ready to get it. 460 horsepower. It's got a 226, 232 cam. 578 lift, 112 LSA, 799, 243 heads, and this was I want to say long block, but them heads are brand new 243 heads. Listen to this thing do its thing. Now, is it a true 460 horsepower? I don't know. Dyno, she says it is. No, it's to the crank, because any kind of horsepower that you put to the crank, and by the time you get to the drivetrain, there's a percentage loss. I don't know what that percentage is. Is it 15? Is it 20? Is it 10? You know, everybody has a different number. Is it 30? Who knows? But she is sitting there just
I'm gonna do my stuff.
And brakes. Listen to her. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Ain't no hiding that this got a cam in it, is it? But, let's see something. I don't quite understand. Yeah, man, she's right. She sounds good. She sounds right. What about let's get a cold start on the boosted box Chevy. We calling it a cold start, but it's actually warm out here. But this vehicle ain't been started since yesterday, so let's give it a try. Yeah. See what the old boosted box Chevy sounding like. Get battery up real quick, like. All right. Boosted box Chevy got a little chop too now. Got a little chop too now. But I'm just amazed at the horsepower number that this says it has. I'm amazed. I'm gonna go look up. Matter of fact, let's see. Y'all interested in the part number? Let me get y'all part number. Part number. Jegs 5300 5.3 460 horsepower long block. That is the part number. If y'all are interested in that particular engine, holler at Jegs. This particular engine, holler at Jegs. They might be able to hook you up with that same setup. Got the trans cooler up front. Heard that. Heard that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of it. I like the way she sounds. I want to say it's a Flowmaster. I really do. I want to say it's a Flowmaster in there chopping and chopping. And he's got all the parts, you know. Definitely a good looking vehicle. And no, it's not mine. But she sounds good. So does the boosted box Chevy. They both sound good. All right. I need y'all to hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that share. All those good things, if you don't mind. We'll come back with some more. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Avalanche. Woo, it sounds so good. That thing sound good, man. Sound good, good.